Hello again, everyone. Welcome to another update. This is basically days 12, and we catch them here very early in the morning. So, as you can see, they are growing beautifully, right? And this is the tomato, right? And again, this is days 12, right? And as you can see, we have almost all of them in the cells germinate, right? So that is what I was telling you. All right, let us go ahead and see if we can spot the null cells or the blank cells. So in this tray here, see, we have one here, one there, that is two. To search again, two, three, so we have three in this tray. It's basically two trays right here, guys. Two. So it's basically three blank cells in this tray. Let's go in the other one. So we have one, two, three here. Four. Five. And this one looks don't know what is happening with this one. Let me just give it some help. Oops, I popped this one. Sorry guys, I popped this one. Anyway, like about 6 now. So again, guys, this is what it looks like at days 12, and I'll see you again in another update.